If your knuckles sound like popcorn, you're a mythbuster in the making. Let's crack this one together. All right, so here's the deal. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Crazy, right? That satisfying pop you hear is just gas bubbles bursting in the fluid around your joints. Scientists have studied this for years and found zero evidence linking knuckle cracking to arthritis. But here's the thing. It can be annoying to people around you, so maybe save your cracking for a solo moment. Bottom line, no need to worry about arthritis if you're a habitual knuckle cracker. But you might want to find a new hobby if you're driving friends and family nuts. So next time someone scolds you for cracking your knuckles, you can say, "I'm just debunking myths one pop at a time." Stay curious, stay informed, and keep those knuckles cracking if you want to.